So we're going to go ahead and show you how to design a YouTube thumbnail very quickly on Canva. So once you've logged in or signed up to Canva, you'll be taken to this main page. You do have a lot of functions down here on the left to navigate the site. We're going to click on templates to start. So before you start any design of the thumbnail, you will have your title ready with keywords, you will have your content ready, you will have your branding thought out, and all of that good stuff, the photo ready that you're going to use, which will make it easier for you. And here's how we design it. So what we're going to do is go ahead and, as I said, click on templates, which will take you to a page where you can type in your preferred project, YouTube thumbnail, followed by return, and that is going to straight away bring us up a list of designs that we can choose from. So we do have these three drop down menus here. We can click on style, and for example we could go for a minimalist kind of style. And it's worth noting at this point then that if you do change any designs and you're in the middle of design and your power goes off, for example, or your computer drops out, Canva saves quite regularly, so you can just go into your projects here on the left and there'll be a list of any of the projects that you're recently working on, so no work will be lost, which is a brilliant function. So let's just go into find the design we would like. I'm going to click on minimalist as I did before, and for example then, just for this project, I'm going to click on the fabulous makeup ideas. So we click on that design and Canva will bring up a page for us to review the design, and then it's also worth noting that they will bring up similar designs which will be down here at the bottom that might suit you better. So I'm going to go with this design here that we've picked out. So we click on customize this template and it brings up a whole new page for us to go ahead and design as we go. So we are mainly focused on the left hand side here. We've got a lot of different functions. We can upload images by clicking on uploads, we can create text, we can bring in different elements and pictures by clicking on elements, and we've got these functions here on the top right which allows us to duplicate the page or add a page on, and we also have functions at the top, very top blue bar here. So for example, if we wanted to change this picture, we just click on the picture itself and then we get the bar at the very top that allows us to change the position and all of the stuff there. So if we just wanted to move that somewhere else or delete it altogether, we can bring in our own upload by uploading our files, clicking on here, and it will allow you to upload any of your files that's located on your computer. So we can also click on the text and then it brings up, we can change the size of the text or the style, and we can change the position of the text, and there's two boxes there that we can move around, and we have a design here which would be one of the elements. So you could search any different element, for example star, and it will bring up a star. It will allow us to bring in a star there, for example. The other thing to note then is the background, so that we click on that pink box which is our background there, and it allows us to change the colour and change the position. We can even change the pink itself to a totally different picture. And then we also have a border here, which is another decorative feature. We can change the thickness or the style of that and go from there. So once we're happy with the design then, we can go ahead and go up to the right top corner and we can click on share. And if I just move my camera there, we'll see that if we scroll down, we can see that we can download our image once we're really happy with that. And it gives us a selection of things that we can save it as: JPEG, PDF, You know, for the video file, it could be that either. So I like to go for JPEG, and we click on download. So at this point then we can go ahead and save. Actually, it will show us where it wants to go, or wants to save. So it's saving in my downloads here, and I can save it then after wherever I need to or want to. So I hope you found this video very helpful. Let us know in the comments of what particular design you're going for, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Cheerio for now.